rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How you doing? You got one for me here?
I do.
Okay. How y'all like it over here?
We like it.
Yeah. It was a good drive y'all made all the way from.
We just decided to move back.
Yeah.
It was easier.
Yeah.
Sheep. Saying this you she's alright betrayed. I should have known better.
That high note, yeah. Is it still a 6 order here? Yeah. Y'all was talking about adding more speakers, right?
We're talking about going over to 1212.
Oh, yeah. And that's the thing going down there. They had a bunch of it and see how it works.
We're just going to have it all in here and have fun.
Yeah, that's the way you do it. It was good to see you, David.
Good seeing you.
Thanks to see you next time. You want to look in there?
Yeah, I'm gonna look. I'm not getting.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.